Air traffic management across Europe has been developed by individual states based on their local requirements and political borders. This fragmentation makes the system inflexible and inefficient. The situation in Switzerland reflects the challenges at European level. Our small and highly complex airspace is cut in two, with each half managed by its own area control centre based on separate operational concepts. Even though the operations are harmonised within each half of the airspace, our fragmented setup and local procedures lead to inefficiencies and require more coordination when an aircraft flies through both parts of the Swiss airspace. Also, all key functions and roles are duplicated and operate locally. Air traffic controllers, supervisors, system monitoring control, flow management operators. This drives costs and makes it difficult for Skyguide to efficiently cope with customer demand and performance targets. We need to move towards location-independent operations and one Swiss-wide flexible airspace. This not only requires adapting the technical systems and applications, but also the roles, functions and procedures within the control centres. One of the initial steps will be to divide the sector at the top of each upper airspace, thus creating additional sectors. These new sectors can be managed either separately or combined Swiss-wide, increasing our flexibility. We can then extend this approach to the other sectors below when traffic conditions allow. In this new setup, a pair of air traffic controllers sitting at the same working position can manage any sector of the upper airspace, either combined or separate, equally from Zurich or Geneva. Their qualifications and training need to be adapted towards a Swiss-wide endorsement for the upper airspace. The lower airspace, however, has its own characteristics and will remain under local control most of the time. Air traffic controllers will therefore keep their local endorsement for the lower airspace. At night, traffic levels in the lower airspace are very low and most airports are normally closed, thus allowing air traffic controllers to manage both the upper and lower airspace Swiss-wide from a single location. The same applies for operational and system supervisors. Flow management operators will take care of a Swiss-wide area for the upper and lower airspace. In addition, they will have a local view of the tower and approach operations. As a result, the way we plan the yearly staffing and define the sector opening scheme is also shifting towards a Swiss-wide approach for en route operations. At the same time, we maintain the flexibility to adapt sectorization and staffing to daily local circumstances. Coupled with improved air traffic flow and capacity management and advanced decision support tools, this location-independent setup translates into several benefits. It increases operational productivity and efficiency with reduced sector hours and staffing buffers. It enables a greater situational awareness, which improves safety. And it allows airspace users to fly at more optimal altitudes, thus contributing to reducing CO2 emissions. Building on a modernised, open and integrated system architecture, we continue to pave the way towards our virtual centre by developing the operational capabilities to manage any sector from any physical controller working position.